Hi, good day everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be designing using Canva. We are going to be doing a mirror reflection design using Canva. So I had already designed it earlier, so I just opened what I had designed earlier, and this is it. So I went to this white plus with a purple circle around it, and I brought in a new page. We have to change the color to white so we'll be able to get what we are doing. So I've changed the color to white. After changing the color to white, I went to that same plus. I went to elements. You go to the gallery first. You pick the picture you want, the picture you're using. Then you press on duplicate, the one close to the delete button that has a plus inside. You duplicate it. You go to the flip. You scroll to flip vertically. Then you go to transparency. This transparency is going to give it that mirror look, like a shadow. So we'll reduce it to about 20 for the glass. Then we'll drag it down. The bottom of the glass is going to be the same, at the same level. Both of them are going to be at the same level. Then we leave that, and we'll go back to where we went to. Go back to element. Don't forget that I have already used this design, so all what I need is in my recent file. But since you are going to do it from scratch, you are going to type in what you want. Like this, I typed in water splash and it gave me this image. There are different kinds of images, but I chose this one. So we are going to do the same thing we did to the glass. We duplicate it, we flip it upside down, then we reduce the transparency. But this, we're going to use transparency of about 15. Yeah, 15. So we drag it down. They should be at the edge of each other, as just as the cup is. So that glass and this other water splash is giving us that mirror image. So we are going to send this to the back. We go to position, we send to the back, so that the water splash is going to go behind the glass. So this is it, guys. For you to add something more special, something more appealing, I decided to go for strawberry. Searched out strawberry. I have the images already in my recent file, so just resize it and keep it wherever you want to keep it. So I decided to keep it here and reduce it. I can't drag it with the normal mouse like on the phone right now, because it's going to minimize, because it's very small now. It's going to reduce it the more. So I use those notch button. You can see it has left, right, up and down. So I used it to move it. Then I duplicated, still do the same thing. Transparency, you flip, then you bring it down. Just as simple as that. Then I'll also go ahead to do for another strawberry, and I'll put it on the right hand side, so it will give you this aesthetic look and all of that. So designing, as we all know, is actually something you just have to imagine things and decide to put one or two things together. So if you are going to do this from the scratch, it won't be on your reset files. You just click on that plus with a purple around it, a purple circle. You go to elements, then you type in whatever you want to type. Anything you want, it's in there. Just type it and use whatever picture. Or if you don't have a pro, there's what is called Canva Pro. If you don't have pro, you have to just use the basics. So there's limited images that you have, there are limited things you have. But if you have the pro, there are things that they'll give to you. There are pictures you can have access to. So if you're not using pro, you just be limited to something until you subscribe for the pro. So this is it, guys. Place it there, you flip, you do transparency, as you all know, and bring it down, and voila, this look was really nice. This was really nice. And as you can see, this white background, we have it in white background. It's beautiful this way, but then I just want to make it look solid, that solid look. And so decided to add an additional color to it, a background color. So you click, this purple line should be on the whole background as it is right here. Then you go to color. This is the color I used in my previous one, but I don't want to use it, so let's go for something else. You can use a solid color, you can use a gradient. I decided to use gradient, and this is the color I want to use, and voila, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always following. Please like, share and subscribe.